last question, if you can eat matzah outside Pesach.
Yes. So here's the thing. So here's another difference between Sephardic and Ashkenazi community. So since different people are watching, so I have to say it, right? So Ashkenazi custom always say chamotzi on matzah. Chamotzi meaning we say that it is bread. So that's bread. But Sephardic custom is not like that. So they say Bareni Nemizoines, right? The whole year around, and only on Pesach. I don't remember exactly, only the 2 nights of Pesach or the whole Pesach. This I don't remember. We have to clarify. But but for sure, during the Pesach Seder, they say the blessing of Hamotzi on the Matzah. Yeah, there is no problem. So some people eat the Matzah, they love so much, they eat all year around. The only thing that I would just say, you must stop for sure 30 days before Pesach. Right, so.